One of them is how to read without distractions, number one. And number two, how to increase reading speed. These two questions.
Yeah. Yeah. First question, I mean, I can answer for one day about dealing with distractions, because we are full of distractions. Nowadays, elderly people say that youngsters have got limited attention span. You know, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं 5 minutes, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं few seconds. Attention span has not gone down. If that was the case, how did we watch Bahubali for 3 hours? How did we watch three idiots for 3.5 hours? Right? So attention span has not gone down. The number of distractions around us youngsters have increased substantially, which was not the case 10 years ago. Why? Because we did not carry the TV in our pocket. The landline phone was at home when we left the home. But now this tiny stupid tool, this device is always as part of our body 24/7, and that's the problem. Yeah. So I have a simple solution to it. Increasing your focus does not mean increasing your concentration, but keeping away from those attractive distractions. Now, there are two types of distractions: external and internal. External is when somebody's physical person comes and it disturbs us. Arey abro, chalna chai peene jate hain. You know, and I fall prey to it and give in to the momentary pleasure. Arey wow, chai, fir gappe ladana, वगैरह. So we think that that is the major distraction, but that amounts to only 20% of the total distraction. So let's not talk about it. 80% is internal distraction, like a ting coming on WhatsApp. Yeah. So keeping your mobile phone on your desk or in your pocket and trying to focus on a high value task like reading or working on an Excel sheet or making a PowerPoint presentation, then it's invitation to unhappiness. Our brain is not made for multitasking. It is impossible. We can focus only on one thing at a time. Try to play two different songs at the same time and you'll go mad. You know, you'll immediately stop one of the songs, right? So what I do is, if I want to focus on reading for say 30 minutes, I never focus for more than 30 minutes. I have disabled all the notifications on my mobile of all the social media apps. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, और क्या है? Email, SMS, वो भी, yeah, Twitter, सब. And then I keep my mobile away in another room, you know, which is quite away from me and on silent mode, and focus for 30 minutes. Then I get up from my desk, go to the other room, check all my WhatsApp messages, check the missed calls, give a call back to all of them. Yeah. Again, keep it at that room, again come back in my room and focus for another 30 minutes. And trust me, it won't be an overstatement. 80% of my success I devote to this tiny little act of kindness that I've done to myself, disabling all the notifications and keeping the mobile away. Simple solution. Coming to your second question, how to increase reading speed. It's a skill, not a talent. Everybody can do it. Tony Buzan is the father of speed reading, and he has written many books on speed reading, mind mapping, and memory techniques. So I have learned from him. I won't talk about the technique because it's in length, but I took 8 months to increase my reading speed. It requires a lot of practice, especially unlearning your old habit of reading one word at a time was more frustrating, because relearning the same skill that we already know, reading, is more frustrating. Yeah. So you can just check out Tony Buzan on YouTube and you will get a lot of knowledge about speed reading.
So I think we have been speaking a lot about distraction less environment. So at this point, I'll also want to tell to the viewers that we have also recorded a video on decluttering. I'm putting out the link on the eye icon there. You can go watch that. And now